Welcome to this quick tutorial on the AceToolz Convert to PDF tool. You can find Convert to PDF under PDF Tools in the navigation menu at the top of the AceToolz homepage. This is the Convert to PDF tool interface. Right away, you'll notice this tool has multiple tabs at the top. This is our general file conversion tool where you can convert PDF to text, PDF to Word, Word to PDF, image to PDF, and text to PDF all in one place. For this demonstration, I'll convert a Word file to PDF. Let's start by uploading our Word document. Simply click to select your file or drag and drop it here. Perfect. Now let's click the Convert Word button. And that's it. In just couple of seconds, our Word file has been converted to PDF and is ready to download. Quick, simple, and free. Try it out at acetools.com. Thank you for watching.